So I got a work order for an air conditioner that's not working. Get over there, and sure enough, we've got a bad capacitor. Reads 0.5 microfarads. Head back to the truck and grab the one capacitor to rule them all, the Amrad Turbo 200. Check the nameplate on the capacitor, and we need a value of 30 microfarads. In order to achieve that value, we just add yellow and red together. Then we'll just run a quick check of our capacitance. As you can see, we got a value of 30 like we're supposed to. Wire it up and see if it runs. Audibly, I can hear that it's alive, but my idiot self put the amp clamp on the fan. And the nameplate has deteriorated in the sun, so I can't read any of the values. The compressor is pulling about 4 amps, and I'll accept these values from the suction and liquid line. I'm not going to gauge up to the system. I know some HVAC technicians may not agree with that, but I'm not going to possibly risk contaminating the system or releasing part of the charge in order to just check the values. I only gauge up to a system if I think there's an issue with the refrigerant circuit. I got a new dual run capacitor ordered that I'll come back and switch out at a later time. This was all the waste that was created, but done with this and on to the next project.